There are about 5.2 billion people using social media worldwide, and this is a damn good reason for you to get your business on social media. This does not simply mean you have to get on Instagram, open an account, and start posting about your business. This is not the best way to go about it. In this video, you're going to learn how to use social media for your business or to support your business goals. You can be a consultant, you can be a coach, you can be a product or a service-based business owner. I've got it all covered for you. Now, pick up a notepad and watch till the very end because that's where the best tip is. Hello, I'm Reva. I'm a freelance social media manager. I make videos about freelancing, social media, and solopreneurship. Let's get straight to the topic. So the first thing what you need to do is to define your audience. Now is the best time for you to ask the question, who buys from you? Who needs your products and services? For example, business owners hire me as their social media manager to free their time and actually focus on their business. Similarly, brides hire a makeup artist for their wedding because they probably don't know how to do their own makeup, or they might not have all the products, or they might not know how to make the makeup stay for longer. Once you get this right, next you have to think about their demographic details like their age, their income, the location that they stay, and all of those things. Let's say you're a fitness coach. You need to be knowing about your audience's age, what kind of work they do they party, do they drink, and what are their body goals, and what stops them from achieving them, and what motivates them to sign up for your program, all of that. Ideally, to do this, you have to visualize just one person or maybe just two to build your audience persona. After defining your audience, you need to find out which platforms they hang out. Different platforms attract different audiences because each platform has unique features and user experience. For instance, let's take Instagram. This is a visually appealing platform that focuses on stories, posts, and reels. And it attracts a lot of millennials and Gen Z audience. The vibe of the platform is aesthetic, and it focuses more on lifestyles and that sort of things. Whereas LinkedIn is more formal, professional, and career oriented. You will find people and businesses looking for job and other opportunities. Once you choose your platform, you have to double check by checking if your competitors are also there on the platform. This ensures that you are on the right track. If you already have a social media platform, then you must go back and audit those platforms. So you audit what platforms you're currently present on and what platforms might contribute to the growth of your business, and how many times you post, how's the quality of the posts and videos, and what performs well, what does not perform well. So you basically take account of all of these. So you will be setting your social media goals based on this audit. In the initial stage, always remember to set only one or two goals. Otherwise, it will be overwhelming for you to work and achieve those goals. Always remember to set SMART goals. Your goal should be specific to your business. What is it that you're chasing? Is it the reach or is it the engagement? What is it? Your goal should be measurable. Let's say you want to reach a lot of people. How many people? Is it 10K, 20K, 50K? How many people do you want to reach? So it needs to be measurable. Set attainable goals only. So let's say you want to reach 50K people. Now, do you have a system to reach 50K people? What is it that you will do in order to reach 50K people? So that is something that you have to work. Whatever you set as a goal, it needs to be workable and you have to attain it. Your goal should be relevant for your business growth. Let's say you want to work with 5 influencers in order to get a good reach. Those 5 influencers should be relevant to your business. They can't be random influencers just for the sake of getting more reach. Now comes the important part, which is the research. Understanding your strength and weakness is as important as you understand your competition's strength and weakness. So here you can do a SWOT analysis to understand and identify your strength, weakness, threat, and opportunity. And when you're doing a research on your competition, check what platforms they're on and who is interacting with them and what kind of goals they may possibly be chasing. Now that you have a wider understanding of your audience, the platform, the competition, and yourself, it's time to go and create some content. So every goal should be time bound. Let's say you are reaching 50K people. So when will you reach them? Does it take a month or two? How many months does it actually take for you to achieve your goal? So that should be factored in your goal settings. Depending upon the platform and what kind of content your audience are attracted to, you can plan a content calendar. So here you'll be planning how many days you'll post, what type of content you'll post, what worked really well for you in the past, so all of that. Regardless of what business you're in, your content should always aim to attract audience, sell your products and services to them, and to retain them back with your business. To attract audience, you normally create content which is educational, inspirational, motivational, and entertaining. In order for you to sell to your audience, you need to create content that has your offer, testimonials, how-tos, guides, tutorials, webinars. Now, to retain them, you need to create discounts, referrals, and loyalty programs. Now, if you think you can get on camera every single day, film, edit, and upload, then you're setting yourself up for failure. So you need to master the art of batch creation. Fix 2 days in a month, plan a couple of outfits, pre-plan and prepare all your scripts, and shoot it all at once. After you shoot all your videos, you can edit them on a weekly basis and immediately schedule them according to your content calendar. If you're designing posts and carousels, plan the content prior and design some templates using the same color palette and font, and then align the content and put them on a scheduler. This way, you will have a consistent flow of content, and most importantly, you will not burn out. Native scheduling tools are the best. But to make your life a little easier, there are other tools, multi-platform tools, meaning from one tool, you can schedule content across multiple platforms. Once you start posting content, keep a window of 30 days and measure. Look at the analytics and see what's working for you and what's not working for you. This way, you will be able to optimize and improvise. This is the only way to grow. What works for you, you have to double down on it, and what did not work for you, you have to pivot and find a better option. Realistically, it'll take about 2 months for you to fix the mess and gain some momentum. You have to have a lot of patience, and you have to be consistent in doing this over and over again. And most importantly, please don't quit just because you don't see any results in the first 2 months. If you need help or if you need someone to guide you to do all of this, then check the form in the description and I will reach out to help you. Let me know in the comments what kind of challenges you're facing to get your business on social media. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I will know you like this video. I make videos about freelancing, social media, and solopreneurship, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in my next video.